Good afternoon, guys. Hello. I passed here in Costco. I just buy what's it called, bread, because we don't have left bread anymore at home. I just get this one. This one I get bread. Yes. Yeah. We just get this one, and I think I need to get some corned beef. I just pass in because I just put some petrol in the car. No more petrol left. Only one line left. And and now I just pass here to buy some bread and corned beef and what else I need. Maybe some nuts or something. Maybe noodles. Maybe noodles. Let's see what I'm gonna grab. Where's the corned beef? Where's the corned beef? Guys, how are you guys? Hello everyone. No much people around. Not too many people around here in Costco. Where's the corned beef? How are you guys? Oh yes. What's this? Pecans. You see pecans? Yeah, I don't like pecans. Alright guys. When I find the corned beef, I'm looking for something. Oh, here. I need this one. This one I need. The oil, sunflower oil. I think no more left at home. Not too expensive. It's not this one very expensive, I think. Grapeseed oil. I think I need sunflower oil. Yeah. Just grab someone. Very cheap. Look the price. Look the price. It's $14 only. See? No more left. I got this for 2 months ago. Yeah. No, that's why now I need to get another one. Good one. Alright, now I'm looking for the corned beef. Corned beef. Mura, no?
Mura na to. 5 liters.
Mura yan. Masarap pa yan, sunflower eh.
Oo.
Yeah. They get another one too, sunflower too. Pasensya na, wala sa vlog ako.
Okay lang.
Anong pangalan nyo ho?
Rosie.
And
Nep.
Nep. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Hindi po, ano pong name nyo?
And Noel. Christy and Noel YouTube channel.
Okay. That's good. Sige po. Hello.
Kumusta ka mga kababayan natin sa atin? Lalagay ko ito.
Sa lahat.
Ay.
Sige po, thank you.
Taga saan po kayo dito?
Sa Melton.
Medyo malayo kayo.
Malayo. Pag nagawa na yung sa may ano.
Para may diretso na, no?
Malapit kami doon.
Oh.
Pag nagawa na.
Costco ron, ano? Sige Manep. Sige. Yeah, you too. Next day, I gonna put this one. Maybe tomorrow, nandun na yun.
And anong...
Christy and Noel. Lalagay ko ito. Christy and Noel. Ipo-front page ko kayo.
Ay, naku. Okay. Thank you.
Sige.
Sige po, thank you.
There it goes. I found it already. This one, good one. Yes, yes, here he goes. This one. Yes, better this one, guys. Number 1, Pacific corned beef. Yes. I got this one. Yes. It's not too expensive. You see the price. $22 for 3. Yeah. $22 for 3. Alright guys. I think that's enough for me. I got already 3 items, but all good. I need more. I think I need alright guys, see you guys. Oh my god, too crowded. Go in this queue. Look, too busy there. Oh god. Alright guys, see you next time guys. Guys, finish shopping now. Finish shopping now. I need to go home now. I just ordered these 3 oil, corn beef, and bread. That's it. Alright guys, see. Where is my car? Where you put my car? It's in the corner guys. I just parked in the corner. Yes, there. I just parked in the corner. There is my car. At the end. Alright. There it goes. I'm just go home now. It's 3:15 in the afternoon already. Guys. Yeah. Lucky it's Thursday. Tomorrow last day. Alright guys. That's the Costco. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys.